Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Anveshana Academy. This is Dr. Manjunath Chennapugod. Dear students, come today we will solve some NEET questions on first chapter, that is units and measurement. So in that first chapter I will try to solve some NEET based questions on first topic, that is the international system of units. First, dear students, first I will read the question. What is that you can see here now? First question, the unit of thermal conductivity is, answer A, watt meter to the power of -1 k to the power of -1. Answer B, joules meter k to the power of -1. Then answer C, joules meter to the power of -1 k to the power of -1. Answer B is watt meter k to the power of -1. These are the four options they have given, but what you have to do, you need to choose the correct answer. Then how to solve this numerical? Come, we will see that. So here is the first answer is, first one for answer for first question is answer A. What is that? You can see now. A is what? Watt per meter Kelvin. Okay, how it is that we will solve now. Okay, so now what I will do, okay, now we know that to solve this we need to calculate the thermal conductivity unit. How it is that we can see now. I can solve this numerical with the help of an Fourier's law of conduction equation. What is that? Q is equal to equation, that is minus K A into dt by dx. This is the equation, dear students, but dt by dx. Okay, now I need to calculate the value of K here now. Okay, so I want to calculate the value of what? K. That means what? How I can write now? So I will rearrange this equation. So therefore what I can do, K is equal to Q into dx. So I will write it here, Q into dx divided by this. I will take A into, A is here, so A into, then dt is nothing but change in temperature, that I can express in terms of Kelvin, right? That is dt. So now what I will do, K is equal to, how I can write now? K is equal to, so what I can write, what is the unit for Q? That is a heat transfer. I will write it here as a heat transfer unit is watt actually, into dx. Dx is nothing but thickness of the object, that is in meter. So I will write it in meter, divided by what is unit for area? Unit for area is meter square, multiplied with, then temperature difference is K actually. Then what I can do, dear students, you can see now meter square is there, meter is there, it get cancelled. Then what is the final term now? K is equal to, what I can write now? Watt divided by meter, 1 meter square, meter gets cancelled, 1 meter is left out at the denominator side. I will write it here, meter into K. So therefore what I can write now, this is in denominator side, right? I will take it in numerator side. Then what will happen? K is equal to, how I can write? Watt, then this becomes numerator, right? Then it becomes what? -1, then K becomes K to the power of -1, dear students. This is what? My final answer. Okay, the final answer, that is thermal conductivity unit for thermal conductivity is watt per meter Kelvin, or watt meter to the power of -1 K to the power of -1, dear students. Hence answer A is the correct answer. Answer A is the correct answer. Okay, fine. This is first question. Now we will move towards next question. The damping force on an oscillator is directly proportional to the velocity. The unit of the constant of proportionality are, first one, answer A, kg meter per second. Answer B, kg meter per second square. Answer C, kg per second. Answer D, kg second. In these four answer, we need to calculate the correct answer. Then what is that? We can see here now. So answer. Okay. For answer, for this question, damping force, for this question answer is Actually C. Answer is C. What is that? C is kg per second. How it is come? We will prove that. What is that? We know what actually is telling damping force is directly proportional to velocity. So then damping force I can mark here as a F, that is directly proportional to velocity of the object, that is V. Then this proportional limit can be removed with help of a constant. That constant is K. Hence what I can write? F is equal to K into V. Now what I have to do? I need to calculate the dimensions. I need to calculate the unit for the K actually. So there what I will do now? K is equal to, that is constant, that is equal to F by V. Then what is F actually? So therefore what I can do now? K, F is nothing but what? Force, that is Newton. That is what? Newton. That what? Force, how I can write it now? Force is equal to M into A. That is the thing actually. Okay, Newton. Then divided by velocity is nothing but what? Meter per second. Okay, meter per second. Then what I can write now? So Newton meter per second. That second you can take it into the numerator here. Then it become meter second to the power of minus 1. Then what is the unit for Newton? Newton is nothing but what? M into A. M is nothing but what? Kg. Yes, mass of the object is kg. Then acceleration, that is meter per second square. Then how I can write it now? Meter second to the power of minus 2, dear students. So same thing I have written it, kg meter per second square, then divided by meter per second. So then here what you can do, one thing there. Okay, now meter here, meter get cancelled, second to the power of minus 1, second to the power of minus 2 is there, 1 will be get cancelled, then kg into second to the power of minus 1, kg second to the power of minus 1, or else what I can write now? Kg per second also I can write. Now the correct answer is kg second to the power of minus 1. Here what I can say now? Kg to the power of kg second to the power of minus 1 is the correct answer. Answer C is the correct answer, dear students. Hence it is correct. Okay, fine. Now I will move towards third question. The unit of permittivity of free space, that is epsilon naught, is, first answer Coulomb per Newton meter, second answer Newton meter square per Coulomb square, then third answer Coulomb square for Newton meter square, fourth answer Coulomb square for Newton meter square. This is a question which is asked in 2004. This is a third question. So answer for third question that you can see here now, C here now. Answer is C. What is that C? What is that answer C? You can see here now. Coulomb square for Newton meter square. This is the correct answer. How it is? Come, we will see that now. Okay, so now we know that force between two charges. What actually is telling now here? The unit of permittivity of free space. That permittivity where I can get when there is a force between two charges, right? We know the equation. Force between two charges, we know the equation. What is that? F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square divided by r square. Here I need to determine the unit for the epsilon permittivity. Then I will take it now. I will modify this equation. I will take into this side, then F will come here. So therefore permittivity is equal to 1 by 4 pi F into r square to the power of in the numerator q square is there. So then what I can write now? Unit for charge, we know that Coulomb, then it is unit q square is there, hence it become c square. Whereas 4 pi is the constant, no unit at all, you leave it as it is. Whereas unit for force is Newton, then unit for radius, that is distance, right? That distance r, that is meter square. Coulomb square for Newton meter square is the correct answer, dear students. Hence what I can say? Answer C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. What is that? Coulomb square for Newton meter square. So these are the some NEET questions on international system of units in the first chapter. Thank you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, like, comment and share to your friends. Thank you.